Hey, back again. I've got the FabFitFun box. So this is a quarterly subscription box. You will get it 4 times a year. And you have the choice, depending on how much you pay for your box, you'll have the choice of which items you want to pick for your box. There's a few items I picked for this box, but the more you pay, the more options you have. So my first item is going to be from Coach. This is an item I did select. So I got the rose gold earring necklace set. It's really cute. It retailed for, I think it was $125. So that already, this one item already puts it over the cost of the actual box. Next, I got an eyelash curler. It's a Pro Lash Lifter by Babe Lash. The next thing I got is the Shea and Moringa Balm, Moisturizing Balm for hands and body. And my son and I have tried this before, and I'll tell you, it's a very, very thick body lotion. It is not lightweight at all. It did come with a Heineken beer can that has no alcohol, which is really interesting. I think this is just a free sample that they threw in there. The next thing is Dose & Company. This is pure collagen. This is not an item I chose. This is an item that they gave me. But they did include in the book, I'll have to look for it, some recipes to use collagen. They had some muffins, and they also, you could put it in some shakes. The next thing I got was an eco-friendly comb set. Let's see if I can get this off. So just some combs. They feel like they're pretty strong. It says they're environmentally friendly and perfect for all types of hair, from curly to straight. The comb includes both a large comb and a small tooth comb with soft rounded teeth, making it easy to detangle hair and prevent breakage. So the comb and the eyelash curler and the chapstick all came as one item. It came as a beauty set. It is not one of the items that I chose either. This is one of the items that I chose. These are some bamboo socks, boot socks. They come in some really good colors. I think there were 2 different choices of colors you could choose. I chose black and gray, very simple. But they're very soft, and I'm pretty excited about those. And the last item I chose, and this is really the reason why I re-upped my FabFitFun box, was because I wanted this little Dutch oven. Been wanting a Dutch oven, and now I have one. It's actually a pretty good size. You can cook most things in here. Desserts. I wanted it specifically for bread. This is perfect for cooking a small loaf of bread. It did come with care instructions. It's dishwasher safe. Don't put it in the microwave because it's metal. Non-abrasive cleaners. Signature stainless steel rim, durable, lightweight, non-stick. You can use it in a broiler grill to bake, grill, cut, cook. Anyways, just a cute little pot. I'm going to use it for bread. So I was pretty happy with the items that I did get in my box. A couple things, you know, I wouldn't have chosen the comb and the eyelash curler, and I definitely probably wouldn't have chosen the collagen unless there were some really options that I just really didn't like. So we'll see how this goes. Maybe I'll post a video on some recipes or something that you can use with it. But I was excited about the the coach, the pot, and the socks. So I think that that made the money for the box well worth it. I'll put the cost of the box, any codes that I can find, and a link to FabFitFun. That's all for today. Thanks.